What's going on there, my friend? Ricky Burrows here. Today we're going to talk about drone photography ideas for drones that have a camera on them. Now, most, if not all, drones have cameras on them. You don't have to have a certain level of skill in order to take some really cool pictures. Both of these drones are a product of DJI. This is the Phantom 4 Pro, and this is the Spark. So your first drone photography idea is to create illusions with your drone. So the way that you accomplish this is by taking either one of these drones and having them point straight down at a tennis court. Move your subject in a position that makes him grab onto the lines of the tennis court and positioning his feet in such a way and his arms in such a way so that it looks like he's falling. These kind of photos are just great for social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. People go crazy over this kind of stuff, so it's something that's so simple that you can do right off the bat. So the second drone photography idea that you can take with either one of these drones is by flying in a manner so that you can get a bird's eye view. The droning technique is one of the most popular ways of doing this. The third drone photography trick that you can do is by reversing the footage and by playing it fast. The fourth drone photography idea is by putting your unique photography skills into play. You're always telling a story. You're always inviting people into your world. You're telling them, this is how I view life. This is how I want you to experience my world. And a drone can give you that perspective that nobody else has been able to see before. Number 5, drone photography idea. One of my favorites is the 360-degree panoramic view, also known as Little Planet. Tap the camera settings, the camera logo, scroll down, hit the pano button, and then select sphere. Tap the camera button to take the picture and review the footage by scrolling down and selecting the little orb in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you export the image, it's going to look like a flat 360-degree view. So what you have to do is download Theta. And what Theta does is that it blends the images and it makes it look like a sphere, like a little planet. So you have to select the little planet feature and then it'll change it right over to a little planet. I do apologize that you can't see the controls for this app because as I was recording this on my screen on my phone, it somehow blocked all the controls to it. But it's very simple, straightforward. You select Little Planet and you can save to camera roll or share it straight to social media. Number 6 drone photography idea is to research other drone pilots and their YouTube channels and their blog posts and to see what are they doing differently that other people are. What are they doing that's catching your eye? And how can I make a better photo or how can I make a better video out of it? Which brings me to number 7. Had to think about that. Number 7 is to use Google Earth. And so there you have it. Drone photography ideas that you can use for drones that have a camera on them. The Phantom 4 Pro actually has a full frame camera so you can get more detail, you can take better pictures with it. The DJI Spark is convenient, you can carry it in places and take off where you can tell the difference between the two, how one's a little bit bigger than the other one, which makes it a little bit easier to carry this one around, but the quality is definitely in the Phantom 4 Pro versus the Spark. This one also gives you more time in the air. This is about 30 minutes in the air, and your Spark is about 12 minutes in the air. They relatively go the same speed, except this one goes just a little bit faster at about 40-45 miles an hour, and this one is about 30-33 miles an hour. Your Phantom 4 Pro is also at 60 frames a second, 4K, and your DJI Spark is 1080p at 30 frames per second. And I gotta say, both of them are very, very impressive drones. And I know that you'll pick the drone that has the right camera for you. So if you'd like to add more value to this video, go hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get every video that's uploaded, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite drone photography idea? If you know another drone photography idea that wasn't mentioned in this one, go ahead and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.